Chevrolet introduces 1969.
June 19th, 1965.
Le Mans, 1966.
The 1960s were a glorious milestone for muscle cars, the time when the sound of V8 engines came to every American man's dream, blending with their breath.
With a 110.97 mile per hour run.
These machines not only symbolize rebellion, strength, and freedom, but also the peak of U.S. auto manufacturing technology. If you consider muscle cars not just a means of transportation, but a vivid memory of speedy machines gliding smoothly through the air, then sit back and let us ignite your yearning for nostalgia via topic Top 10 Fastest 1/4 Miles Muscle Cars of the 1960s. '67 Plymouth GTX 426 Hemi. GTX is the first step that brought the 1928-born American auto giant Plymouth to join the muscle cars racing business.
Plymouth is out to win you over this year.
Plymouth is out to win you over with the '67 Belvedere GTX.
The Plymouth GTX is still honored by collectors as gentleman's muscle car, thanks to its fancy design and exceptional performance, its ability to accelerate to 1/4 mile in just 13.5 seconds. The GTX's engine is compared to the strength of giant elephants. V8 Hemi 426 cubic inch generates max power of 426 horsepower and max torque of 480 pound-per-foot. No doubt, the painstaking, sophisticated Hemi design is one of Mopar's true legacies. Its uniqueness not only comes from hemispherical combustion chamber design helping increase fuel combustion efficiency, but also comes from durable structural materials, crankshaft, anti-corrosive chromium molybdenum alloy steel rod. The distinctive noise of the Hemi V8 still lingers in users' minds to this day. 1969 Dodge Charger 500. Although failing to dethrone Torino Talladega in the NASCAR, the Dodge Charger 500 is still extremely impressive with the ability to do 1/4 mile in just 13.35 seconds.
More than 70,000 racing fans have come by car, by bus, trailer, motorcycle, airplane, what have you.
This achievement is due to some detailed adjustments. First are two engine options, 440 cubic inch V8 with 375 horsepower and V8 Hemi 426 with 425 horsepower. Next is the aerodynamic car design. Sharp front end with hidden headlights, flat grille reducing the air resistance. Although weighing only 3,940 pounds, with a low center of gravity and a sturdy suspension, it always stays stable and gets a tight grip at high speeds when cornering.
About the competition out on the track, and here's what he had to say.
It is also extremely rare and worth collecting as only 67 versions of the Charger 500 with the high-performance Hemi engine were produced out of a total of 392 units. 1968 Oldsmobile 442 W30. Originally, it's a high-performance option of the F85 or Cutlass.
You belong in a 442 by Oldsmobile, an Oldsmobile 442.
The Oldsmobile wisely produced the Oldsmobile 442 as an independent car line. The success was evident with 33,607 cars sold in the first year of 1968, of which there were only 1,911 units with the W30 option. The number 442 represents 425 cubic inch V8 engine, 4-barrel carburetor, 4-speed manual transmission, and dual exhaust. 360 horsepower and a 3-speed short radio transmission gear help the Oldsmobile 442 W30 accelerate quickly and easily do the 1/4 mile in 13.3 seconds at 103.3 miles per hour. The fastback aerodynamic body is some revival of the legendary streamlining design of the Oldsmobile Rocket 88 Club, the NASCAR king in the period of 1949 to 1950. 1964 Pontiac GTO.
Two Pontiacs duel in the B Factory experimental class with Jim Wangers, the number 926, winning it.
The Goat, the Tiger, or the Great One are the names to honor the 1964 Pontiac GTO, the great pioneer that ushered in the era of muscle cars, the American pride. Based on the idea of integrating a powerful engine into the lightest possible body, the Pontiac GTO caused shock as its speed was much faster than the Italian supercar Ferrari 250 GTO.
But half a lap behind, coming from 46th starting position, Fireball Roberts in number 3 Pontiac.
The champion of a series of major tournaments such as the Tour de France Automobile and the 24 Hours of Le Mans. The secret to the Pontiac GTO's superiority is attributed to the intelligent combination of the tri-power carburetor and its powerful 348 horsepower V8 engine. The 4-speed close-ratio manual transmission optimizes the Pontiac GTO engine power, doing 1/4 mile in just 13.1 seconds, while the Ferrari 250 GTO takes up to 13.5 seconds. 1969 Camaro SS L89.
Chevrolet introduces 1969.
Product manager Chevrolet interpreted Camaro as a small, vicious animal that eats Mustangs.
Chevrolet introduces 1969.
Camaro.
And this statement is not baseless, as the Camaro SS L89 can run 1/4 mile in just 13 seconds, 0.9 seconds faster than the Mustang Mach-1, Ford's most powerful horseless carriage made in the same year, 1969. To do this, the company has equipped a powerful engine V8, 396 cubic inch, 375 horsepower, combined with a special design L89 with aluminum cylinder heads, and 70 pounds lighter than cast iron heads, standards, and better heat dissipation. The independent front chassis improves handling stability, especially when accelerating. 1969 Camaro SS L89 outperforms others in terms of speed. Rare 311 units produced with legendary design.
Keeps on first. Chevrolet.
1968 Plymouth Roadrunner. In 1968, Plymouth launched Roadrunner, which cost more than $500,000 today. It is named after the famous Warner Brothers cartoon character.
Featuring special savings on specially equipped Fury.
It looks like another bad year for Wile E. Coyote. Roadrunner, America's original low-priced supercar, is off and running again.
First, it seems like an advertising joke, but the performance is amazing. The vehicle accelerates 1/4 mile in 12.91 seconds, making even Warner Brothers proud. This is due to a 4-barrel V8 engine with 383-inch capacity and 335 horsepower. In addition, there is an option to upgrade to the 426 Hemi version with 425 horsepower. Like the American personality, the car focuses entirely on performance, so the interior is quite simple, not fancy, and as a result, its weight is much lighter. Roadrunner helped Plymouth gain big in 1968 with sales of up to 45,000 units. This makes it the top 3 muscle cars, behind only the Pontiac GTO and SS 396 Chevelle. 1969 Yenko Camaro. 1969 Yenko Camaro is the sweet fruit of Chevrolet after they took advice of Don Yenko, owner of 4 Sports Car Club of America national championships. In 1968, Yenko came up with the idea of upgrading the Chevrolet Camaro. He equipped his favorite with a powerful 427 cubic inch V8 engine with 425 horsepower, significantly higher than the standard 330 horsepower engine of the Camaro SS. The Positraction rear-wheel drive system ensures that the 2 rear wheels rotate at equal speeds, creating maximum thrust. Camaro Yenko covers 1/4 mile in 12.59 seconds. These new tweaks help the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5 seconds, while the basic Camaro required 7 seconds. 1969 Corvette ZL1. Born for the National Hot Rod Association Tournament,
With a 110.97 mile per hour run.
the 1969 Corvette ZL1 is truly the brave and valuable darling of Chevrolet.
But competition has nothing to match this car. Chevrolet's incomparable Corvette. There's nothing like it on the road.
Corvette ZL1 can do 1/4 mile in just 12.1 seconds. The ZL1 V8 427 cubic inch engine is powerful and reported 430 horsepower, but actually it reaches up to 560 horsepower. Not only that, but the all-aluminum engine design has also made the Corvette ZL1 much lighter and more powerful than the legendary L88 cast-iron engine of other Corvette versions. For the expensive engine, only 94 versions were produced, of which 80 were with manual transmission, 14 with automatic transmission. Only 2 cars were sold on the market. All were left for racers. 1966 Shelby Cobra Super Snake. The 1960s saw a fierce battle for auto speed and performance, and many mishaps in the world of American muscle cars.
The overall Grand Touring Division race is all Cobra at the moment. The Gurney Johnson car is first.
When the Cobra, driven by Bill Hill, completed the first lap, leading the field. In addition,
Carroll Shelby excellently overcame the odds with a hybrid British-American invention, the Shelby Cobra. Our champion accelerated 1/4 mile in just 11.8 seconds and had a maximum speed of 200 miles per hour, a speed that no muscle car could reach at that time. Dubbed the Cobra to end all Cobras, the Super Snake version of the car is equipped with an extremely superior engine. 427 cubic inch V8 engine with 2 superchargers and high compression ratio of 10.1 to 1, which produces about 800 horsepower. In 1966, only 2 Super Snakes were produced. One of them was auctioned for a record $5.5 million in 2007.